How is scalability assessed in development project evaluation? Have you ever wondered how development projects can grow and adapt to serve more people? Scalability is the key to understanding this process. In development project evaluation, scalability refers to figuring out if a project can expand to reach a larger audience or a wider area while still being effective. This assessment is vital for turning successful small projects into larger programs without losing their impact. From the perspective of applied anthropology, assessing scalability involves several important steps. First, it starts with understanding the local context and needs. This means looking closely at the social, cultural, economic, and political factors that affect the project. Anthropologists often work with local communities to identify their specific needs and how these might differ across various regions. This participatory approach ensures that the project is relevant and accepted by the people it aims to help. Next, evaluators look at social and cultural fit. A project that works well in one community might not be suitable for another due to different cultural norms or social structures. The assessment checks if the project's design can be adapted to fit these diverse contexts without losing its main goals. This includes considering language barriers, traditions, and social hierarchies that might affect implementation. Another key aspect is analyzing interdependencies and relationships. Development projects often exist within complex social systems. Understanding the relationships between community members, local leaders, and organizations is essential. This helps predict how scaling up might influence or be influenced by existing social networks and power dynamics. Resource and capacity requirements also play a significant role in scalability. Evaluators assess if there are enough financial, human, and technological resources to support the expansion. They look at whether the necessary infrastructure and skills are available or can be developed. Community participation and local knowledge can be critical in sustaining these larger efforts. Monitoring and adaptive learning is an ongoing process in scalability assessment. It involves continuous observation to identify challenges and opportunities for adjustment. Anthropological methods like interviews and participatory feedback are useful for gathering detailed information about how scaling affects different groups. Finally, a structured approach to evaluation is necessary. This includes defining the problem, conducting pilot tests, and using selection criteria to determine how to scale. This systematic thinking helps clarify assumptions and potential impacts associated with scaling up. In practice, development anthropology focuses on creating projects that are flexible and culturally sensitive. Engaging communities in decision-making and integrating scalability considerations early in the project cycle is essential. This approach ensures that development interventions are effective and equitable when expanded. In summary, assessing scalability in development project evaluation involves understanding cultural relevance, social dynamics, resource availability, and the ability to adapt. It requires ongoing learning and community involvement to ensure that scaling up benefits diverse populations effectively.